It's the season of yatras. LK Advani launched his yatra today from Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan's birthplace, flanked by JP follower Nitish Kumar. Akhilesh Yadav, meanwhile, is currently on a yatra through UP. Baba Ramdev has just finished his yatra, and Anna Hazare will begin his yatra later this month. But 30 years later, do leaders' yatras still have the same impact? Can they change the polity of today? And will this last yatra of the veteran BJP leader really be able to recreate the JP magic?
जिसने अपना पूरा जीवन देश की सेवा में लगा दिया है। बोले भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिंदाबाद।
मैं मानता हूं कि अगर लोकनायक जयप्रकाश नारायण जैसा नेतृत्व देश के पास न होता तो शायद लोकतंत्र फिर से वापस हिंदुस्तान में नहीं आता।
At 84, Advani's sixth yatra, launched from the birthplace of Jayaprakash Narayan, whose anti-corruption movement in the 70s changed Indian politics. The main launch was shifted to nearby Chhapra, as JP's village Sitabdiara didn't have the infrastructure, not even roads that could give Advani's customized, fully loaded Rath a smooth ride. But along with the yatra started a battle between JP's followers.
अडवाणी जी का विशेष तौर पर मैं शुक्रगुजार हूं कि उन्होंने जेपी के जन्मदिन से यात्रा की शुरुआत करने का निर्णय लिया। इस अवसर पर जेपी के गांव सिताबदियारा जाने का निर्णय लिया और आज के दिन बिहार से ही भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ अपनी जन चेतना यात्रा शुरू करने का निर्णय लिया। इसलिए मैं स्वागत करने के लिए उपस्थित हुआ।
अरे ये तो जेपी के भूमि को कलंकित कर दिया नीतीश कुमार। जयप्रकाश जी को इन लोगों ने धोखा दिया था। बच्चे हो तुम लोग थे या नहीं थे उसमें हम गवाह हैं।
अगर एक शिष्य ने सर्वनाश किया था तो उद्धार भी जेपी के दो शिष्यों ने किया है। नीतीश कुमार और सुशील मोदी उसी आंदोलन की उपज है, उन्हीं जेपी के परम शिष्य हैं।
From Bihar, Advani will travel 7,600 kilometers through 22 other states with a rock song for a theme. Quite unlike his first yatra cry, and a complete contrast to JP's words from a famous Hindi poem while addressing a 1974 rally. But can Advani pull a JP and revive the waning yatra magic? His Rath Yatra from Somnath to Ayodhya turned Hindutva into a successful vote-getter. This and two other yatras in the 1990s helped the BJP improve its vote share dramatically. But after that, his yatras have failed to translate into votes for the BJP. The Bharat Uday Yatra in 2004 bombed, and so did the Bharat Suraksha Yatra in 2006. The RSS then persistently nudging Advani to retire. And even today, the Sangh wants Advani to be more of a mentor than a contender for Prime Minister, not trusting his yatra to be a potential vote catcher. The Sangh reportedly wants Anna Hazare to lead the anti-corruption campaign. The man who was recently compared by many to the original crusader, Jayaprakash Narayan.
2 years ago, the RSS edged LK Advani out of the leader of opposition's job. Today, when LK Advani rose out of his chariot, it was almost as if LK Advani was rising like a phoenix. Many in his party and the RSS feel that his yatra is not selfless. That is why they will be watching every inch of his yatra, because they were expecting renunciation.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.